What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Take that first step, click that subscribe button. All right, so today we're going to be talking about the September Nomadik Box. So stay tuned to the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So today, like I said, we're going to be talking about the September Nomadik Box. Now, this box was sent to me for free. I did sign up for a subscription to Nomadik Box a while back, and once that subscription ended, Nomadik continued to send me boxes to unbox for you guys a little bit early so you get a sneak peek as to what is coming in these boxes and maybe make a decision on whether you want to purchase Nomadik. So a little bit about Nomadik. It's a subscription service. This box comes in every single month. And you can get 1, 6, or 12-month subscription. So you decide how long you want. They have an ironclad guarantee, which means if we open this box up and I already have whatever it is, or it is broken, damaged, whatever, I can reach out to Nomadik and they will replace that item free of charge, and they do it pretty fast. The other thing they have is if I know that I'm going to be out of town the week that my box is supposed to come in, I can skip a month. So I can just say, look, I won't be available. I want to skip this one, and then it'll pick up the following month. There is sometimes food in here, so sometimes it is perishable. You may not want it sitting out in the heat or whatever. So there you go. Price on this. You can do, if you do 1 month, it's $32.95. If you stretch it out to 12 months, it drops the price down to $29.99 per box. So you get a little bit of a savings the further you go out. And according to Nomadik, it's about a $50 value per box. So let's jump in. Let's see what we're going to be using today. If I can get my hand in my pocket. I'm going to be using the Gerber dime to get into this month's box. So let's go with our little handy dandy little knife blade there. If you've never heard of Nomadik, there's a lot of debate whether the value is $50. There have been some that have been less, in my opinion, and some that have been more. So let's see what we have. So here we go. Each month has a theme. This one is road trip. So looks like we're going to have 4 items in here. So in here we have a description of each of our 4 items. For this month we have 4. Over here we have Nomadik tips, which usually correlates with the theme. We have a challenge, which is good for 1 month. And then on the back side, you've got a link to the website and you've got some brand discounts. So there will be a link to Nomadik in the description below. You can get over and check Nomadik out if you want to see some more information. Now, some of these boxes you can buy past boxes. You can also purchase some of this gear individually through Nomadik. So let's see what we got. An air freshener. All right, it is road trip. So let's see what it says about our air freshener. Nose Patrol Tint Air Freshener. Keep your road trip smelling fresh with this pine-scented air freshener made in the USA using pre-consumer recycled paper and high-quality fragrance oils. You won't want to travel without it. All right, let's see. Worn Enhanced Boot Socks. There you go. I've got some socks from the company Worn. Absolutely love them. They make some really good socks. So I am very excited to have these and try these out. These are boot height, full cushion, climate moderating, all day dry. So see if it tells me anything else. Arrow wool technology. So yes, I love those socks from Worn. All right, we got 2 more things in here. Let's dig to the bottom. Blister mod from Nomadic. So we've got 3 Super Skin blister prevention strips. So get over here in the shade so you can see that. All right. And last, we have a compression sack, extra large. It doesn't tell me. It's 3.7 ounces. It just says extra large. Let's see, 11 inches by 22 inches. This compression sack takes your sleeping bag from puffy to slim in seconds. Compression sacks for your sleeping bag down to a small pack to save space on your next road trip. Includes 2 quick release buckles for effortless access to your bag. Additionally, the sack features 2 handles instead of loose straps to help compress your sleeping bag nicely. So let's see. Okay. Oh, this is nice. So we've got a nice breathable material on the side. We got nylon here. You got your top. So yeah, that will definitely come in handy. I have a couple sleeping bags that I can think of that will fit in that. So we're gonna test this stuff out and we'll come back and let you know, give you an update. I'm not gonna bring dirty socks or warm socks out here, but I can tell you from my past experience, the company Warren makes some very quality socks. So there that is. I'll try to get some prices on all this stuff and drop it in the description whenever I get this video done. So if you don't see it there, drop me a comment. I'll see, maybe I could find the stuff individually or whatever, but I will do my best to get these prices and maybe links to these items in the description. Either way, there will be a link to Nomadic in the description, and there will be a link down there in the description too for a playlist for all my other Nomadic unboxings. So get over, check them out, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, that's it for today. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.